What's up? What's up, guys? It is 7:29 p.m. on Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024. My name is Zach Bowman. I hope you guys have had a wonderful day. We're going to do a quote of the night because I did not get a chance to do it this morning because I had to go to Winston-Salem. We got a quote by Elon Musk. Never. I don't ever give up. I'd have to be dead or completely incapacitated. For my part, I will never give up, and I mean never. Yeah, that's why he's a stud. There's a reason why he's making billions of dollars. Smart guy. All right, moving on into Bitcoin. According to the Bitcoin Fair Price Calculator, Bitcoin should be around $78,000, but it is currently undervalued at 15% at $66,582. Moving on into Twitter. We're going to keep this short, to the point, and succinct tonight. Just in, 725 billion. Bernstein predicts Bitcoin will hit 200,000 in 2025, calling the forecast conservative. We'll see what happens. So this is interesting. Bitcoin demand as a store of value rises, so Bitcoin price increases. Then mining becomes more profitable. Then something else that we can't read. Then Bitcoin's network becomes more secure, and then rinse and repeat. Yeah, this area shows where the power law has accurately predicted the overall Bitcoin trend since its discovery. Yep, interesting stuff, guys. And we're barely into just the beginning of the halvings. I mean, what are we on, the fifth halving? Fourth halving? Halving years in October. 2016 skyrocketed. Boomski. 2020. Boomski. 2024, we're going to see what happens. It's probably going to be Boomski, not financial advice. Tesla's pumping. What a real Bitcoin strategy be like. Buy, 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 buy. Yeah, I mean, long term, if it keeps functioning on the power law, it doesn't matter when you buy it because it's going to be worth more in 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc. years. Yeah, pull back in silver doesn't bother me. World-renowned real estate developer Steve Witkoff to speak at Bitcoin MENA. Bitcoin is the future of value. It's a foundation of wealth, scarce, secure, and revolutionary. December 9th through 10th. Let's look at Reddit for a little bit, and then we're going to wrap it up with the Elon quote again, and then call it a night. Yeah, I'm curious to see what MicroStrategy is going to do over the next decade. I think long term, Bitcoin is better because they're investing in Bitcoin instead of investing in themselves. So I think just investing in the soul property is going to be better than investing in something else that's investing in them. But what do I know? Not financial advice. Just listen to this.
Technology limitations. In an ideal world, you would like it to be able to do more things, like to be more private, to be more scalable, be faster. There are a few things which are not perfect, but there are approaches that improve on that in higher layers. Like, Lightning, it's both cheaper and faster and more scalable. It would make Bitcoin worse if you tried to do that directly in the base layer because it would reduce the censorship resistance. I think it's pretty close to the bleeding edge of what.
Too technical.
Mr. Gensler, you're also busy in parallel
36,000 coins worth 2.4 billion in outflows from Bybit exchange on October 19th. Man, I can't believe how much Bitcoin you could buy 10 years ago today. It's only
Prior to contrary,
Have you ever heard of
substantial what it's going to be like in 10 years at this rate. All right, Bitcoin infographic. Over 3,000% average ROI year over year. 80 million unique wallets to date. 54.6% of the total crypto market. Annual log return. Yeah, we can see, you can't really read it, but yeah. Back in 2010, those were when the returns were happening. Owners by geography, with USA 28%, Asia 19%, Africa 7%, China 8%, Europe 22%, Latin America 12%, Oceania 4%. Mining by geography, United States 38%, Russia 11%, China 5%, Kazakhstan 13%, Canada 7%, others 26%. Supply and distribution, quality as of 2024, growth, volatility, security, transaction. Pros and cons: decentralization and security, store value, scarcity, global accessibility and inclusion. Cons: scalability and fees, which I disagree with. Volatility, I disagree with. I think the volatility is beneficial, and I think the energy consumption is not a con. Look how much energy we're using to mine gold, silver, other precious metals, and things out of the earth. I mean, give me a break. Everything's electric now. Everything is electronic or electric consumption. So, valuation summary. Scarcity and supply cap. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, making it inherently scarce. Store of value. Digital gold. Often referred to as digital gold, Bitcoin's valuation benefits from its perceived role as a store of value. Investors see it as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, similar to how gold has been used. Network effect and adoption. Bitcoin's value is heavily influenced by its growing user base and adoption. As more individuals, institutions, and even countries such as El Salvador adapt Bitcoin, its network effect strengthens, contributing to a higher valuation due to increased trust and utility. Lastly, Bitcoin's price is also influenced by market sentiment and speculation, leading to high volatility. News about regulatory changes, technological developments, or institutional investments, such as Tesla or MicroStrategy, can trigger significant price movements, often reflecting investor confidence or fear. End of year average analyst price. We got up to $87,000. And I have a bet with my brother that it's going to be at $85,000 by Christmas. That's 20% upside right now. So we'll see what happens. To wrap up the day, I don't ever give up. I'd have to be dead or completely incapacitated. For my part, I will never give up, and I mean never, by Elon Musk. I hope you guys have a great night. Let me know in the comments below what goals you're looking to accomplish and what you're doing to accomplish those. And if you need any help accomplishing those, I'm happy to try to help. Have a great night, and we'll catch you tomorrow.